Today is April 4th of 2022 and this is going to be a vlog. I'm going to be going to a cave. Now I won't be able to see my face because I don't have my hat on. I'm not going to be able to take it with me, but I have to wear a coat on because it's raining. So I'm just going to stop here and we'll see you when we get to the cave. Alright, here at the visitor center here at Mammoth Cave here in Kentucky, right near Cave City. And let's just go inside, shall we?
And if it does, come see us. We have ways of dealing with bags. Historic tour, which side are we staying to?
Left.
We were listening, I love that. Good morning.
We're going this way. Not the right. We're going this way. Better hope I don't drop this phone, otherwise it will never be seen.
You went farther than you want to talk about a cool place that I didn't want to go to. Yeah.
Remember, you have to be able to touch us at all times. That was the rule. Yep.
Your voice reaches.
I think we're going to get a story down here.
The whole area is really wide down here if you can't see it. Get these parts on.
If you're claustrophobic here, just wait. We'll get you through. We'll get you. Stories that they have. In this entrance, to the right hand side. The left hand side faces along the back, especially the rotunda. That would have been the original. Used to follow the walls. But it's been shifted over here, since about the 1920s, 1930s.
Purdue University. Look at this. Look at that right in the middle.
We got 68 miles paved. It's a lot. You wouldn't think that, but I guess, you know, if you're an electrician or something, a part of the cave was lit up for like 2 straight months. And the algae grew on the walls here before anybody could kind of go down there and realize, oh, that's what happened. So to fix that, you have to leave that section of the cave dark, and that algae will slowly die.
Well, I'm enjoying this tour. Don't be so crabby. Don't be so crabby.
It's like a whole...
You can see the doctor. They did this correct. Pretty great.
Look at that.
And then you turn around.
You can get wet too.
You gotta get up here.
And that was all from my trip to the cave. Like, there's so much more that I would have done, but I've only walked 2 miles inside the cave. And mostly saw was pictures because some of the battery got drained while I was in there, and I ran out of battery life for a bit, and I was only able to turn my phone on for a bit. So just not risking anything, I just took pictures. I mean, despite it being very warm inside the cave. So yeah, that was all. And if you want to see more, maybe when I get back to Mammoth Cave, if this video gets 5 likes, there will be footage and video from the other parts of the cave. And that was all. This has been Brick Johnson, and I'm out.